Hey, so I wanted to record a quick video where I try to use AI to fix a bug in my Swift UI app. So this app is for visualizing your recent runs. It calculates a custom metric that I call normalized heart rate, which is like, what would my heart rate be if I ran at the same pace? So it's just trying to show me if I'm getting better at my efficiency over time. As you can see, I only have 2 runs so far, so there's not much data, but there seems to be a bug where it's rendering one of these runs off the screen, out of bounds. So let's try and fix that using cursor. So I'm gonna select everything and I'll just say, it seems that there's a bug with this SwiftCharts visualization. The most recent run from today is rendering out of bounds and it's glued to the edge of iPhone screen. It seems like the x-axis may not be getting set up properly, so perhaps we need to check that code, make sure that it's including the last 16 weeks, including this week. That's how it should work. So let's take a look at that. And as you saw, the dictation was quite quick. The app is called WhisperType. And this is one of my apps, actually. But this is how I basically code these days, just dictate my prompts into cursor using WhisperType, and that's it. So I entered a prompt. Maybe I'll give it a screenshot just for good measure. Let's take the whole iPhone. And let's try to run that. Okay, all right, so the problem was that it seems it's been doing this math by just subtracting 16 weeks from today, and now it's actually changing to Monday. So that seems like a good solution. Okay, let's try to save that and go back to Xcode. And we're gonna run it. All right, here we go. It seems like the bug is fixed. So that was quite easy, and I didn't even use one of the thinking models. Maybe one last thing that I might do is there's a bit of repeated code. So we're calculating the start of week here, and then here, and we can improve that, I believe. We could just say, there seems to be some repeated code when it comes to math of calculating the range of weeks. So would it be possible to maybe move some of that into some separate helper method or something like that? Okay, so pretty easy. It made a new helper method called calculate week range, and it just returns 2 numbers, and it's being used in all of these methods. Well, actually not this one, but this is pretty good. I'm gonna save that, and we can try to run it again just to make sure it still works. Here we go. Perfect.